definitely trendy these days, and for so many reasons, from the benefits to our health, our environment, and of course, our animals. But there are many reasons people shy away from this lifestyle, including, I'm not gonna get enough nutrition, and of course, it's gonna be too hard. But it doesn't have to be. That's why I'm here. Come on in and meet Will. And this is Mr. Will Tucker with WTF. Get your minds out of the gutter. Will, tell them what it means.
It stands for Will Tucker Fitness.
Yes, and Will is not only vegan, he is an athlete. All right, before we get to all of your awards over there, let's give people a little bit of a background of what it means to be vegan, because you've got vegan, you've got vegetarian, and you've got pescatarian. So what sets vegans aside?
Well, vegan means you don't consume nor use any type of products that comes from another living sentient being.
So you don't have a mother, nothing from a mother.
Nothing, no mom, no dad, no face, doesn't swim, doesn't fly, doesn't crawl, wasn't hatched, wasn't
So if you
born.
eat eggs and milk, you're vegetarian, you're not vegan.
Correct.
If you eat fish, you're pescatarian.
Yes, they have different, I guess, stages or titles for the journey.
Well, and it is a journey, and that makes it easier and feasible, especially for somebody like you who's an athlete. If you can do it, guys, this is definitely something that's doable. So let's talk about you being an athlete, because you were a professional bodybuilder, right?
Correct. From 2009 to 2015, I competed actively as a bodybuilder, and in 2011, I won my pro card as a vegan bodybuilder.
A vegan bodybuilder. Now, you know I've got to ask the question, because so many people say, it's too hard and I can't do it because of the nutrition, right? I call it a misconception.
Absolutely.
You call it what?
I call it a misconception, myth, something that's been, put out there by the industries that have financial gain, of course. And the one question I always get as a former vegan bodybuilder, is where do you get your protein?
Yes.
And the thing is, plant foods have plenty of protein, and athletes, bodybuilders especially in the fitness world, they consume so much animal flesh, animal proteins, protein shakes, powders, pills, potions, and lotions. On a high day for me, 50 grams of protein is a high day. When I actually track my macronutrients, I don't do it because I like to eat intuitively and be in tune with my body. But when I did track it, I was hitting 50 grams of protein a day. And
you were good, and you felt good,
I got on
and you
stage,
felt
and
balanced.
obviously I knew how to win, consuming only 50 grams of protein as a vegan bodybuilder.
And let me tell you, I was telling you earlier, I have a 16-year-old who plays football, and his coach told him between 100 to 120 grams a day.
Wow, for what? The thing is, your body's only going to utilize so much, and that excess, your body has to excrete, and it puts extra stress on the kidneys and liver to excrete that from your body. That protein isn't a preferred energy source of your body. The first thing your body goes to for energy is going to be carbohydrates, which are stored in the form of glycogen in your muscle and liver. Then when that's depleted, it starts to tap into stored body fat for energy. The protein is either going to be excreted, and all that excess that he may or may not be taking in, it's got to go out, and your kidneys
So now
and
you're gonna
liver
work harder.
filters it out. Yes, and you're putting extra stress on there, and that's why people get kidney stones and all those other things that are directly attributed to excess protein consumption.
And it's not like we have to make this a chore. This is something that we can ease our way into, right?
Absolutely, it's a journey. Make it your own personal journey. One of the more popular things that's going on right now is Meatless Monday, where a lot of people are taking meat out of their diet on the one day of the week, Monday, and they go from there. You want to transition, incorporate more fruits and veggies, take the meats out, and slowly take it at your pace.
Yes.
There's a plethora of plant-based foods out there. There's so many wonderful plants. Just look at the produce section in any supermarket. All of that from the earth. That's where you want your nutrients, and it has plenty of protein.
What would you say is one of the hardest things for most people in, eliminating meat from their diet?
I think they overcomplicate it, honestly. When I made the transition and went 100% vegan, I was in that same boat, and I was like, what am I gonna eat? And the thing is, you have so much to choose from. Don't overcomplicate it. Stick with simple meals, simple bowls, for example. You can put some avocado, some beans again, garbanzo beans, chickpeas, grill up some tofu, put some sweet potatoes in it.
I think
rice.
you're making people hungry right now. I think I see the smoke and stuff coming from the food.
So make it fun and do simple meals. Just start. It's a whole library out there. You know, everything is at our fingertips nowadays. You can Google simple vegan meals or simple plant-based meals and find something that's easy, can be prepared in a matter of minutes. Don't overcomplicate it. That's what I always tell people.
I like that. Keep it simple.
Keep simple, yes.
Well, thank you so much. So guys, you know, at the Green Desert, it's all about being self-sufficient. Obviously, going vegan helps and it takes you in that direction, but you don't have to do it all at once. We have so many different facts that shows you exactly what type of impact you're leaving. Just taking meat out of your diet, maybe 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. There are just so many ways. Remember, the goal is leave less of a footprint on our environment and be as self-sufficient as possible, right?
Yes.
Yes. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget, share this video, subscribe, click on that notification bell so you can continue getting all of these great, great stories. It's really going to help put you in the direction of being more self-sufficient. And as always, we have benefits, 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 and going further into this lifestyle. So again, greendesert.org is where you're going to go. Thanks for watching.